Hi guys, so I just received this package from the Shopee store. These are Keycaps, so let's see what they look like. Alright, so here's what it looks like on the inside. So pretty. So we have this sticker. So I've only purchased like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is free. And this one is so cute. It's a coffee. It's a bunny that's supposedly in I think it's carrot soup, not coffee. We have this matcha ice cream. We have this macaroon, the pink macaroon. Isn't it so cute? And we have the s'mores. S'mores cookies. And we have this. So adorable. It looks so fancy. This is a shell with the imitation pearl inside. This is made up of plastic, of course. All of them, I think, I'm not sure. Are they made up of plastic or maybe? I have this one. I'm not sure of what this is made up of, but yeah. So these. Actually, I have other Keycaps that I've purchased online as well. Look at this. This is so adorable. This is a hamburger, and this is a slice of cake. As you can see, there's also a macaroon here, this bunny, this cake, and Sailor Moon. So looks so freaking adorable. So how we let me try to switch this up with one of these. Which ones? Perhaps this one? Look, it looks so adorable. How about we try it like on this one? So we're gonna replace it with this. Oh, they look sturdy enough.